Hi, with me today is Pratima Kutino. She is one of the new breed of firebrand Congress leaders. Normally, the Congress is known as the grand old party, but today the new breed of leaders comes out in your face. Pratima, welcome. Pratima, many of your agitations, the way you take up issues, has antagonized the powers that be, and the latest one is the agitation that you have taken up against the electricity, against this, and somebody has even gone and filed a FIR, a charge sheet, a complaint against you. What do you have to say to this?
You have just questioned me about the FIR and charge sheet. Well, I would like to directly hit the bullseye and tell that the charge sheet which is filed on me today goes to say without any doubt that it is a desperate attempt by the government, by the police, to suppress and subdue my voice. And I feel that, see, basically I was fighting for a public cause. It was not for me or my family or my close ones. It was basically a public cause where the petrol prices have gone high and the electricity bills which have been hiked. So I was just doing it for the public cause, and even a layman, anybody, a layman will say that the charge sheet that it is filed in such a short span of time, I can say 15 days, it's a clear case of politics of vendetta. Then I would like to say that this is somewhere vindictive politics going on. It is just to suppress my voice, to take away my liberty, and freedom of speech.
Political vendetta, agreed, fine. I have no issues with that. However, don't you think that it is a way of stopping you
So
from taking up
if you
public
go to
issues,
land,
the issues which are in
several
front of
ways.
the people, which are affecting the people, which are hurting the people? Don't you think that is the reason why this is being done? What do you feel?
Baba, I would like to say, like, from which angle I have heard the sentence. Did I go out and give a hate speech? Did I go out and given a hate speech? Okay, fine. I just carried a pyre. Okay, my ladies were there and maximum Hindus were there. I mean, the tirti getla. You know, Hindu people, how they moron kottate. So we only said Ram Nam Satya, which means that we have glorified Lord Rama. The Lord Rama wo kharo mun sangla. Teja bhai Rami ani kaits koruna. It was a scrap bike. There was no fuel in it. We were just trying to convey a message to the government that the bikes are gone. They are dead. What to do with the bikes when there's petrol hike and people don't have money in COVID-19? So this is all political drama. This is vindictive politics which is going on to suppress my voice, which is not been possible. Are 15-day charge sheet. There are murders taking place in Goa. There are rapes taking place in Goa. There are shootouts in a day taking out. There are land extortion, land grabbing is going on. Hanga charge sheet, ओल्डे क्राईम्साचे रँका 4-4-5 वर्ष लागतात. आणि प्रतिमा just 15 days. So this is a clear case to shut my mouth, which is not possible because I am unstoppable. You must have seen, it is in COVID-19 people, you know, my ladies and myself, we are on the streets. In COVID-19 people are lying at home, scared at home. And this is their thing, like, you know, the opposition knows that we are vocal. You see, there are very few who are today on the field. We have done field work. In COVID-19, I have gone from Pedne to Valpoi, Mapsa, Kortali, Vasco, Margaon. Which side I have not gone? I have gone distributing masks, I have got distributing kits.
See, you take up issues, right? Petrol hike, be it whatever the issue, you take up issues. Of course, it's a political vendetta, but don't you think it's something for you to be proud of, that because you're taking up these issues, the government is worried that you might strike a chord with the people, not so much as about the other congressmen, but you might strike a chord because you're taking up these issues and you're doing something that what the BJP did when it came to power, when your government was in power rather. What do you feel? Don't you think that that's the reason why they're scared?
They are definitely scared, and that is the reason I'm saying that BJP government wants to suppress my voice. But they should know one thing, that I'm unstoppable, and I feel by giving this, it's not the first FIR which is filed on me. There have been so many instances in the past where I had gone to help a girl who has been molested in Sangay. It was like ex-CM's driver who was involved in that. But if you go to see, I'm been FIR is on me. There was para teachers who are struggling to get their job. BJP Youth Morcha also have done such mock funerals with fire and still the saying these things. Then BJP Mahilas also have done with the gas cylinder when it had gone high. Why go far? Come here in Ponda. This freedom fighters kids also had taken a pyre and had done the similar thing. If this fellow who's been prompted and who's been popped up by BJP, that guy, I want to know whether what is his contribution to the society, what he has done in the past for the to me Hindutva Munta. Please don't try to communal harmony the Karnataka. Don't try to destroy the communal harmony of Goa. When I go with agitations, I don't see if that girl who is molested is Hindu, Catholic, Muslim or Sikh. When some lady has been raped, I don't see that. My team itself comprises of many Hindus, and we are peace-loving Goans. These people are come with this agenda. If they are talking about that, if that particular person who is propped up by BJP, he should tell me in COVID-19 what is his contribution, what work he has done. There are so many people who are jobless and who are homeless today. Talk about that. Don't try to divert the issue and divert the attention just because you are failures. And I would like to tell this work will not stop because I've sacrificed my profession today as a lawyer. I've sacrificed my profession. I'm not as a politician, but I'm here as a social activist. I'm first here for Goa and Goans, and that will not deteriorate me. That's what I want to say.
Yeah, I want to now see. We've known a lot of people in the Congress. We've had close contact with so many of them. Mahila, be it Youth Congress, whatever. Now, this Mahila, the way the Mahila is being run by you, the way it's being directed, it's a little different. It's got a lot of fire. It's got a lot of spunk. Like what pushes you? What makes you take up these issues? And how do you think that we are going to do this? We are going to do that? What could you give me some this on that? Spread some light on that.
Glenn, I would like to first thank you because I would like to take it as a compliment because you said that we have been very aggressive and we have done it with, basically I would like to tell that when I was given the charge of being the state president of Mahila Congress by Rahul Gandhi ji, I would like to say that I had taken it as a responsibility. And secondly, I am coming as a cadre, I am coming from the grassroots. It's not that Pratima Kutino is someone who's come like a parachute in politics. It's like I've been in Youth Congress from the block to the state. Then I've headed the organization. I've also been the state Youth Congress president. I worked there with the youth, the cadre. I've been the vice chairperson of Margao municipality. I've been the market chairman of Margao municipality in my 20s. And then when I was given this responsibility, I said, head on. If you are given that responsibility, you have to be aggressive. You have to work. And the work of opposition, what is the work of opposition? Not simply sit at home and then, it is be on the field. And that is what I believe. And I'm proud of my team today, which I've, nurtured them, I've created. There are you can say there are hundreds and thousands of Pratimas will be there in coming future. There will be a movement. And yes, when I'm termed as an iron lady by people today, what else I can expect? My work will continue. And 100 FIR galo re Glenn. They let them put 100 FIRs and let them even put 100 charge sheets on me. I will not stop. I'm unstoppable. That is my commitment to Goa and Goans. Because this is not the voice of Pratima. This is the voice of 50% of population, that is women.
Correct. And that is probably the reason. That is probably the reason why you are asking, how an FIR is filed in 15 days. Probably this is the reason why an FIR is filed in 15 days. Probably, who knows. Now, what I want to know also from you is that now this legal after these legal FIRs, now there are so many issues that you have taken up: petrol, electricity, roads, XYZ. Now, is the Congress, because your senior party is not taking up too many issues, I'm sorry, but you guys are taking it out on the streets along with the Youth Congress. So, are you all going to carry on, or you're going to wait for the elections, wait for the people? Also, I want one point from you, sorry to digress a little bit. Now, there are a lot of 10 of your MLAs who have left. They have gone, and now Girish's case is coming up tomorrow, I think. Today, the speaker has filed a rejoinder saying that because of COVID, nothing could happen. So, what will be your stand if these people are brought back into the fold, like the Congress does regularly in and out. 10 of them go, they do, and then they come back. Do you have a stand on it, or you don't want to talk about it? Also, is fine. But I'm just putting this question out.
No. It is my liberty. It is my democratic right. Why should I not talk?
Absolutely.
If you ask me personal view as Pratima, if you ask me as Pratima Betsy Coutinho, I would like to say that, come on, someday it has to stop. It's high time it has to stop. It should not be like, that the cadre is working for 5 years, the cadre keeps on working, fighting, taking lot of abuse, the opposition keeps on abusing you, trolling you on the Facebook, and we take everything, and then last these people who betray and just run because they want to do not development for the society, but they want to do some self-development. I would like to say that party has to be very strict with this. Party has to come up with discipline. There should be one line which should be drawn that this is it. No, we are not going to entertain defectors. And why not? There are so many youth. There are so many young cadres, dynamic cadres who are working at the grass. We have got talented, we have got dynamic block presidents, we have got youth leaders, we have got Mahilas today. Definitely, I think if you do that quota, we are having only 40 seats. So why not give 10 seats to Mahilas? Why not give 10 seats to the youth brigade? Why don't you all give to the block, to the cadres from the booth who are coming and working for the society? There should be stop, and I feel such people should not be entertained. ते गेल्यात न्ही, तांकां contest करून दी, तांकां लोक दाखयतलो तांचे कितें आसा ते people will show them, because when they had gone with this symbol. They had gone with this symbol, and people had elected them on this symbol, that is Congress. So let them fight the battle. They have gone, they have betrayed, they have not betrayed the party, they have betrayed the people, they have betrayed the Goans today. And I think they'll get the befitting reply. But Congress party, as I said, my personal view, the leaders have to be very strong-headed. There should be discipline, and there should be a big no to defectors.
See, this is new because this has never happened before.
But never before there were no people, more of people like Pratima and others. No, today there's a new generation which has come up. We can also, we can oppose to the nail, because it is
correct.
You have to appreciate, and you have to reward the grassroots people who have done and who worked, who have kept the party alive. That is what I want to say. Not the ones who come like parachutes after 5 years.
Absolutely.
It should not be Ayaram and Gayaram. We should stop this culture.
Thanks a lot, Pratima. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you. It was nice chatting with you.
Hello. Today with me are our reporters Shyam Chari from Mangur Hill and Clinton D'Souza from Kalangut. And also with me is the MMC councillor Saifullah Khan. Saifullah, I would like to start with you, because yesterday the Chief Minister had said that he would be starting antigen testing in Chota Mangur, and as also the general situation in your containment area.
कालच्यान तेमी स्टार्ट केल्ली आसा सर.
कितें?
इनिशियली टोटली आयटी चेक करतात ते, ब्लड वगैरे काढून ते चेक करपा लागलेले आहा. अराउंड पयले दिसाक 100 जाण चेक केले. सेकंड डे 120 आता स्टार्ट केला. आयज 120 तेमी करपा लागलेले आहा.
ओके. And what about provisions, medicines, पावता?
मेडिसिन्स एक कोटा तेमी दिल्लो आसा. मेडिसिन जी आयुर्वेदिक टॅबलेट्स बारीक आसा ती टोटली लहान स्मॉल मांगरान दिला, as well as in upper Mangur also. And at the same time थिंगा वयर जो बडा मांगूर म्हणटात थिंगा तेमीन ग्रोसरी आयटम कालूय दिली आनी आयजूय दिवपाची आसा. आनी फाल्यांसान डेप्युटी कलेक्टर म्हणला की आमच्या ह्या मांगरान दितले अशें म्हणून.
Okay, now let me move to Clinton. Clinton, now in Kalangut, you guys are, I mean, like in the center of the controversy in certain ways, because tourism is supposed to start there, and there are people, I don't know, this is what they're saying, people are found positive in the hotels, the guests who have come in, and in some police stations and all. What is the situation on your side?
The situation is that people have began to panic in our area, especially in Kalangut, Baga, Kandolim, Sikerim side, because the other day they came across this health bulletin which is issued by the health department every evening, where it states that in Kalangut a primary health center in that area, wherein there are around 27 cases. So people are little scared to know from which area, because it has come as a PHC Kandolim, which states about 27 cases. But nobody knows from which area, which part of this Kalangut, Kandolim, Baga, Arpora, Nagwa it is. So that's why the other day, and people also came across that there was new cases found in certain areas. So some of people got together and they themselves, without taking help from any officials or government body, they themselves sanitized their area or the Vado, in fact. While on the other hand, people have also began to receive immunity booster supplements from the health department. Especially in our ward, at least I know that some people have got.
Yeah, Saifullah, what about your area? The cases have been rising, or they've been coming down, people have been cured. Kite information you have, Asa Teja?
Yeah, definitely. Before the check before this, they were checked around 53 patients. From that, 7 had got positive, and other was all are negative. So it is getting decreased now. At the same time, what I'm trying to say now, how we had said one by one, it should be go by queue. Now they had started one by one house, and it is really good. I feel like so they will going to clear. At the same time, what I'm trying to say here now, they are checking up in Chota Mangur.
Yes.
Now I feel like they will have to start in Upper Mangur also. They have to just increase the this of doctors thing. Like team, they have to just increase. Here, one team should be look of this Mangur, and at the same time, I was trying to say, like one of our team have to go to Upper Mangur. Then it will be clear within a short time of the period. I feel.
But Saifullah, there is a slight this. I don't know how, but we were told. आमका सांगले की 500च सद्याक 500च कितें किटा for antigen. So maximum तेणी 500 लोकांक टेस्टिंग करूंक जाता. तितले पुरो माय जाय पडटले.
Definitely no, sir. आता एक घरात see here in Upper Mangur and Lower Mangur, Chota Mangur you say. Upper Mangur at least around 900 houses are there. And
900
here
houses means how many people per house? At least 3-4.
You keep a ratio of 4 दोल्ल्यापासून हांव तुमकां म्हणटा की थिंगा about 4 ते 5,000 लोक आहा. हिंगा about 3 ते 4,000 लोक आहा. Totally it comes to 8 to 9,000 of population. So here हिंगा आमचे धाकट्या मांगरान सर अराउंड 800 ते 850 घरां आहा. आता थोडी कितें जाल्लें about एक हांव म्हणटा 600-700 लोक हांगाच्यान भायर गेला, कोण कोण आपले प्लेसीस वचपाचे आहा ते गेल्ले आसात. आणि बाकीची जी घरां आसात ती वन बाय वन, आता ती घरांतलो एक तेंचो हेड ऑफ अ फॅमिली ते चेक अराउंड लायक दॅट, नॉट फूल फॅमिली, पूण एक घरांतलो एक हेड ऑफ अ फॅमिली चॅकअप करतात. हांव म्हणटा हें जाता तशें फास्ट तरी कवर केली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हें क्लियर बेगीन जातलें. ते गोमोक तरी येतलें की बाबा हिंगा इतली घरान कितली नेगेटिव्ह आनी पॉझिटिव्ह आसा ते. आता जाल्यार हिंगा आमची नेगेटिव्ह चड रेशो वाडपा लागलेलो. नेगेटिव्ह समज कोण पॉझिटिव्ह पासून आसा जाल्यार तांकां ते घरानूच क्वॉरंटायन करतात. सो शुड बी लायक कंटिन्युअसली दे हॅव टू डू. आता हिंगा काल आनी आज येयली, आतां परतून गॅप पडले जाल्यार परतून त्रास जातले.
Correct.
Continuously.
Yeah, Clinton.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is the testing going on in your area also? Because see, why I am concentrating on two areas. One is Vasco and one is today is because Vasco has seen huge area. There are 2-3 containment centers. Zuari Nagar is there, Mangur is there, and in your area is the hub of tourism. Now the Chief Minister says that he wants to start tourism. One. And Mangur and Zuari Nagar and all, they are industrial areas. People go there to work in factories. And tourism is supposed to come into Kalangut. Is testing being done? Do you see any checks or anything? How are the tourists being brought? Are you all aware? Are the people being kept aware of what is going on in your area?
No, at least to my info, like everyone is not given proper information. And with regards to testing, there is no testing being done.
Okay. Even in the areas where you say there are some 26, 27 from Kandoli PHC, that means
no, all areas have not been tested.
I see. So basically, those who want to get tested go and get tested. The government is not putting in any, the panchayat is not putting in any effort.
No.
Has the panchayat come around giving you all immuno boosters to various panchayats? Has it come giving you all awareness?
Yes.
Is it talking to you all
Yes.
not to do this, don't do this, don't roam around, use masks? Is it coming around giving this awareness?
Awareness at least is not to an like 100% awareness, but they come to give those supplements. So that is the time they are giving us small information like what to do and take these tablets, how to take them and all. And yeah, that's it. There is no much awareness kind of.
What about Baga area? Baga, Kandoli? Restaurants are open, we heard.
Yes, few restaurants are open. They are giving even in Arpora, Baga, Kalangut areas. Sikerim also there are very few, like handful of them which are open, and they are serving food, but basically more of takeaways. There are very few that allows you to sit through social distancing. That's it. But
Yeah.
till
Saifullah,
like 7 o'clock, because of
I wanted to know something from you. Now, many people, the Chief Minister had said that people who have tested, who want to work, ते भायर वचोंक शकता. टेस्टिंग करून एकदा ते भायर वचोन कामाक शकता. लोक तशे पीपल ते ऑफर घेतल्या लोकांनी हेचे.
Yeah, it was really good actually. CM सांगले ते बरे आसलेले, पण at the same time what happened, like some of people from our this area are working in Zuari Agrochemicals, and they were ready to go and stay there only, not to come again. There was a no
Correct.
entry, like, you know.
Correct.
सीएमान सांगलेले ते भाशेन वचपाचे तुमका
आनी रावपाचें.
पास करून दिता. तुम्ही चेकअप करा, तुम्ही नेगेटिव्ह येयले जाल्यार तुम्ही वसात, पण तुम्ही थिंगा रावपाची बीन तुमची सुविधा करप म्हणून तशें केल्लें. पण जाला कितें, जुवारीनूच थिंगा अबाउट 170 मेवलेल्या इन दॅट कंपनी. सो दे कॅनॉट गो अँड वर्क दे. यू गॉट इट नो. सो
Correct,
दे आर
correct,
हियर ओनली. व्हेरी हेल्पफूल जालें तांकां. एक्चुअली सीएमान सांगलें तांकां हेल्पफूल जावंक शकतालें, बरें जालें तें. सो तांकां थिंगा वचून वेर्ना थिंगा तांकां हें मेवलें, पॉझिटिव्ह केसीस मेवली. सो तितून तांकां हें करपाक मेळोंक ना, what do you
Risky.
say, रावपाक मेळोंक. येस सर.
Very risky.
रिस्की जाता न्हू, सेम ना जालें न्हू सर. सो ते म्हणटाले की आमी वचून आनी हांगा आसा तें नसली आफत जायत म्हणून वचून थिंगा आनी त्रास जायत. सीएमाक हांव सांगूंक सोदतां की आयज मांगूर, छोटा मांगूर जावं आमचो व्हडलो मांगूर, ते दोनूय मांगूर मेळून आमची आतां केसीस आतां हिंगा आमी चड भोगलेली आहा. सीएमा कडेन मागता आनी आमची ऑथॉरिटीज जी आसा, बाबडी मशिनरीज लायक डेप्युटी कलेक्टर मामलेदार एंड अवर मारगांव कलेक्टर, तेंचे लागीं मागता की जाता तितली बेगीन आमची एरिया आहा ती ओपन करची म्हणून. कित्याक टोटली लोक आमी केअर घेतात, लोक हिंगा चड सफोकेटेड जावपाक लागलेले, जो त्रास जावपाक लागलेलो आहा. लोक आतां डेली वेजीस काम करपी मनीस आतां कितले दीस पयलीं पाशन्स काडटाले. सो सगळे प्रिकॉशन घेवपाक लागलेले आहा की दुसऱ्याक त्रास जावचो न्हू असो म्हणून. आणि तेमी अजून डॉक्टरांनी कितें सांगलें, समज पॉझिटिव्ह केसीस मेवळे जे चेकिंग चालू आहा ते घरानूच क्वॉरंटायन करतले म्हणून. आनी वी आर ऑल्सो व्हेरी मच यू नो रेडी टू हेल्प आवर गव्हर्मेंट, आमचे डॉक्टर्स, यू नो. आनी हांव मागता की बेगीन जाता तितलें जे वास्को ओपन करतले त्याच टायमाचेर आमी मागता की वास्कोय आमचो ओपन करून दिवचो, दोनी आमचे मांगूर ओपन करची, so that people will you know relax and बरें जातलें अशें म्हणून. तुमी मातशें आमी तुमी करता म्हणून बऱ्याक पावतात, कित्याक बाकी सगळे सीएमाक गमता आनी बाकीचे आमचे जे ऑथॉरिटीज आहा तांकां कळटा. की हांव मागता की आमचे हिंगा डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आनी मामलेदार, पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट बरें काम करतात. हांकां तेमीन आमचे गव्हर्मेंटान हेल्प करपा जाय, सपोर्ट करपा जाय, फंडाक लागून, बाकीचे हेका लागून. सो हांवें तांकां लास्ट टायमूय मागलेलें की बाबा आमचे हांगाच्यान कोण कर्नाटका वयता जाल्यार तांकां बसीचे फ्री तांकां सुविधा दियात म्हणून, फ्रीली तांकां वचून हांगा ते इतले दीस काम बीन करूंक ना. हेजेरूय मातशें आनी सीएमान मातशें वचून हांवें मातशें तांकां सीएमा कडेन तें आयकपा जाय, सीएमान मातशें हेजेर कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करपा जाय की जे लायक यू नो प्रायवेट कंपनीज आहा तांकां तेमीन सांगूंक जाय की बाबा हांकां तुमी लायक एअरपोर्ट, जुवारी एग्रोकेमिकल एंड लायक वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट हांगा तांकां थोड्या जाणांक हिंगा लेटर बी धाडपा लागलेले की तुमी बाबा 1-4 दिसांनी हिंगा येवपा जायत, नाजाल्यार आमी समजतले की वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. तशें कांय ना. आयज आमचे मनीस आहा, हांगाचे लोक आहा ते कामाचेर डिपेंड आहा आनी हेजे सीएमान खात्री घेवन तांकां एक मेसेज दिवपा जाय की बाबा तुमी तांकां तशें हें करूंक शकना, कामांतल्यान काडूंक शकना, बिकॉज दे आर हेल्पिंग अस, दे आर सपोर्टिंग अस. सो वी हॅव टू ऑल्सो सपोर्ट, एज आय से टू आवर ऑनरेबल सीएम.
I'm sure this message will go to the authorities and hopefully something positive can be done. Thank you, Saifullah. Yeah, and also
yeah.
thank you, Sham and Clinton.